Okay, so what's happening now is very rare. Actually, this never happens. Nutmeg is here with me. And Cindy is right here. Oh my gosh. So, she's just chilling. See her tail? She's even loafing. Look at that. Her tail is relaxed. Ears. And then Nutmeg's right here. Hi, baby. Oh, you want to give him a kissy? No. What's over there? Yeah, nothing. Alright, she's leaving. Cat is still low. Hey, Cindy. Oh, look at that little happy tail. Nutmeg's looking out the door. Nutty. Hey, Cuppy. Where you going, Nutmeg? She might be going to bark at something. Oh, she came up the stairs. Cindy. Cindy's still happy. Cindy. 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 Look at the camera. Tara's still. He's hesitant. Oh, there she goes. Good job. There we go. Hey. You happy, kitty? Yeah. If I might, yeah, if I give her a belly rub, she might scratch me. Hi. Usually she just play bites. Yeah? How you feeling today, honey? Huh? I don't have any food, sorry. Oh. Start looking at me. Looking at Mom. And Dana. I mean, Nutty. Hey, Nutty. Nutty. You're saying bye? Bye, Mom. Bye, Dana. Say,
Stop it!
hey, come here.
Stop!
Oh, boy.